Welcome to my channel. This is Hannah from SINOFUDE. We are a professional manufacturer of gummy candy machinery. Today we will bring you an entry-level gummies depositing machine. Model CHX20, which can reach 8,000 to 9,000 pieces gummies per hour. I'm showing you how to operation and content of this machine. This is the console of the machine, which is the panel, switch and temperature setting you need to operate, and it has a safety-protected emergency stop button, which is easy to operate. This is our hopper, where the syrup is waiting to be poured into our molds, with insulation. Full stainless steel 304. Next is our candy mold. The mold is generally arranged with 20 holes. The shape can be customized according to your idea, such as bear, raspberry and other shapes. Take a mold and put it into our plate, push it under the hopper, and then start the pouring switch. The machine can start pouring automatically. Let us see the finished candies, the perfect working effect. You can see that the gummies is pouring like this inside the mold. This is SINOFUDE's accurate pouring system, and the weight of each candy is the same. Next, the candy needs to be cured for 5 to 10 minutes. After curing, we need to take the candy out of the mold. This process is called demolding. Of course, this machine comes with a demolding system. Next is a demonstration of demolding, easy demolding. We can got the gummies now. CHX20 gummy depositor machine can be operated by one person, so it saves labor and is the best choice for your laboratory or small production. Various functional gummies such as various vitamin gummies, THC gummies can be produced. CHX20 with control system, depositing head, cleaning system, demolding system. If you like this machine, please give us a likes and follow my channel. I will introduce more new equipment to you. Welcome to watch. See you next time.